this is the total amount of revenue that I made on YouTube this year, 2023, and I officially started to post on this channel May this year. And right now, this channel, it has more than 9,000 subscribers, and I'm going to take you on my dashboard and break down all my YouTube revenue since May up to this month, which is December. Despite having relatively small YouTube channel, but I've been able to generate decent amount of income on YouTube, and I'm going to share some insights on how this is possible and a bit of encouragement for anyone who wants to create a YouTube channel or already have one but wants to earn more money on YouTube. This video is just for you, and I'm pretty sure that this video is going to help you in a very good way for you to start 2024. Hey friends, my name is Hans David. I talk about side hustle and how to make money online. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I created this channel last year, 2022, and first I was talking about entertainment. I was talking about celebs, gossip and stuff like that. But this year I had to switch up from entertainment to finance, and I officially started posting videos about finance this year on May, and that is when my journey began. The main reason that I had to switch from entertainment to talking about finance is that was no longer my thing. I really didn't like talking about celebs, and that was a person that I really wasn't proud of. So I decided to start talking about finance, and I was making less money when I was talking about entertainment. So on May, this was my first month talking about finance, and I'm going to show you how much I made on the first month after switch up. So on May I had only 96 views and I had $0, and on June I got 100 views, $0. On July I had more than 400 views and I received $5. At this point I was about to give up because I was working really hard day and night, but the result that I was seeing on YouTube, it was so disappointing, and I was about, okay, right now I'm about to give up. But the next month, which was August, I received like 80,000 views, which was a lot of people, and I made more than $81. That was impressive. On September I had more than 27,000 views. That was a lot of people, and I was really happy about that, and I made more than $347, and that was a decent amount of money for me. That motivated me to work really hard. And right now you can see massive changes between November and October, and as you can see right here, I was posting 3 videos every week. 3 videos every week. I was really working hard at that time, and it really helped my channel to grow way faster. And so October I had more than 36,000 views and I generated $283. That was for October. Alright, so here we come to November. That was my best month because I had more than 49,000 views and I made more than $362. That was insane, and I was really happy. Just me being on YouTube for more than 5 months, and now I'm making more than $300. This is a decent amount of money for me because it's something that I never experienced before, and it's something that I was really happy making this kind of money on YouTube, and it makes me work really hard. And just stay there. I'm going to show you this other channel that I have, and this channel is making more views. It's making more than 400,000 views a month, but is making less amount of money. So this channel right here, it received more than 452,000 views last month, which was November, but at the same time it made more than $385, only that. But on this finance channel, I only had 49,000 views and I made almost the same amount of money with the other channel. You can see all the difference are here. So the only reason that this channel is making decent amount of money despite having a very small amount of subscribers is that many advertisers, they like to spend a lot of money to all the content creators who are making videos about finance. So if you're on finance niche, if you talk about finance, you can be in a position to earn more money. And the other channel that I recently showed you, that channel is talking about entertainment, and you really cannot get decent amount of money on entertainment niche because not many advertisers, they spend a lot of money on entertainment. If you really want to create a YouTube channel and you're thinking about what kind of niche that you really want to do, I think if you're interested on finance, it's okay, you can give a try and see how much you're going to make. But you just have to make sure that you're going to love what you're going to do. And the other thing about this video is that I know this is not insane amount of money. This is not about making $10,000 a month. This is not about making $5,000 a month. But I made this video because I'm really happy about my journey. The price that I was 5 months ago is way different to the price that I am right now. And me making this kind of money is not a significant amount of money, but for me is really helping me, and I'm really proud for all this achievement. And I made this video for all the beginners who they can start making little amount of money, starting $100 a month, $200 a month, up to $1,000 a month. You know, everything is a step. You can start today, and who knows where are you going to be in the next 5 years, where are you going to be in the next few months. So you have to try out and see how this is going to work out for you. Thanks so much for watching my videos. My name is David, and I hope you are going to try this out. You just don't have to watch video like this, you will have to try out and see how this is going to work out for you. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you next time. Do not forget to subscribe.